Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Where I'll be teaching you all you need to know about integrating your website into Posthog. First of all, you will need to create an account with Posthog, and creating an account with Posthog will require you to create one account. So if you want to create another account with Posthog, you go back and create and delete that first account and create another one, or you use another Gmail. So first of all, we want to create an account on Posthog. This is Posthog. Now Posthog will require you, if you want to integrate a product, which is an app or any other thing you want to do, or a website or a data warehouse or any other thing you want to do with Poster. But what we are doing today is about website. So all we need to do now is click on the website. When we click on the website, when we click on the website, it's going to pop up and show us if the code we are using is a JavaScript or an HTML. So let's wait for it to pop up. So yes, we use HTML to create this website, of course. So we are going to click on HTML code for creating websites. Now this is the HTML snippet. What we are using is you can see other codes, other languages is bringing up for you to click on. So what you need to do now is copy this code snippet, copy this HTML code. And when you copy this code, you see how long the code could be. See from the beginning to the end. See how long the code could be. This is what we are going to do. We are going to copy this code into our website admin. And what we use to create our website, we use a WordPress to create our website. So we are going to go to the admin page of our WordPress. You go to admin page, you click on code snippets. You click on code snippet at the right hand side. First of all, you need to understand if you are using um a WordPress. This is how you go through. This is what you go through if you're using a WordPress. But if you're using any other software to create your website or app, you can always reach out to me and I'll tell you how and where you can go to get your snippets or something like this for your integration. So we click on code snippets. When we click on code snippets, we go to add snippets, which is under. Go to add snippets. When we click on add snippets, there is a pop-up that comes up. It's asking us, is this snippet library or snippet generator? You go to your snippets library and then you add custom snippets. Please don't be confusing. Add custom snippets. There's going to ask you which code are you copying, which code are you putting. We are putting in, as you all know, the HTML code. So we'll paste this code that we copied from Posthog. Remember, we copy the code from Posthog. We paste it into this code preview. Every other thing on this page, please don't click on it so that you will not disfigure your website, or how you've created your website. You will not disfigure or scatter whatever you've using your website for, so, or your website will not have any issue in the beginning. So all you need to do is paste and then make this code active and save your snippets. Make it active and save your snippets. We are using it for a testing this thing phase. So when we are done, we are going to deactivate or either delete this code. So once we are done with this, we'll go back to Posthog. Once we get to Posthog, we skip installation. So once you are done, you either you skip installation or you go back, you skip installation or go or cancel or click on this X button. When you click on the X button, you click on get started on Posthog. You go back to Posthog after everything you are doing on WordPress, after pasting your code on WordPress. So you click on everything you are doing, you go back to continue. When you go back to continue, click on next or skip for now. Any other thing you just want to skip, you want to be on the at the forefront of your page of your Posthog. So you click on finish, next and finish. Then once you are done, then you go to check if your page, if your website has been integrated. You check if your website has been integrated. You go to your website. This is my website. My website is majorly for lifestyle, everything fashion, and any everything fashion and anything blog. Talking about social media, weather, and everything fashion or Valentine. It's just a blog post I created for myself. So you see, this is my blog. This is everything I do use my blog for. So what I want to do now is I want to comment something on my blog post to see if it will reflect on Posthog. So I'm clicking on this blog post and I'm going to like and comment something there to see if Posthog is actually tracking users' interaction or users' behavior on this my website. So I'm looking for the comments section where I can write something. Okay, this is it. So I will just type something on this blog. First of all, I just want to write my name and put in my email address. Put in my email address. You see that I opened my website with another page. Please notice that I opened my website with another Google, another browser. So I just wrote, I love this. Please continue. And then I will click on comments, post comments, save my name and email for post this comments. Good. Now I've done this on my website. This is a website I'm trying to integrate into Posthog. Now I've done this. Now I'm going to go back to Posthog. Please do well to follow my website and follow my website, share and comment whatever you want to comment. I give insights on fashion ideas, fashion tips, and weather on clothes and weather and Valentine's ideas of how you can make Valentine's special with your loved ones. So we need to go to the live event of on Postdoc. First of all, go to activity. You will see that everything is coming out. Let me cancel this year better. So this is activity. I'm going to reload to see everything that I was doing on my website. You see that it is actually showing and it's actually tracking everything happening on my website. As you can see, it's showing me the time, the library, and the URL or the post URL, like the particular post or the particular blog this user actually viewed or see on your on your website. I can actually you can actually do a poster can actually do a lot, but in order for me to see this user's name, I will need to create using a code. I will need to create a person's profile on Posthog. That's another teaching, by the way. You can also actually do yours. Go to this place, go to view events, and then to show you how to create a people profile to see your user's name and everything, especially users that sign in and then commented with their name, but it won't show you users that just commented without typing in their name or their email address. So this is where you need to you go just go through their demo and then you go through how to create a person's profile. It can also show you screen record of these users. Can show you a lot. Let's scroll down. See everything this user was doing on your website. This is everything the user was doing. The user typed something, the user submitted the form, the user left the page, the user typed something into input, clicked input, That is about 3 or to 2 minutes ago. It can show you the device, the user, and the time the user actually viewed your page and everything. Yes, it's showing you the device, showing you the time, showing you the location, UTC. Now let's view the recording of this user. This is everything your user was doing on your page. See how wonderful Posthog can be. It's tracking everything and showing you everything that happened on your page. So this user actually viewed my page, viewed this particular blog post, read or viewed. You see the red line is showing you here. User typed in a name. It won't show you the exact name, but it will show you in codes. The user typed in an email address, and this user also typed in comments on your website. This is wonderful. After that, the users scrolled down. The user clicked on save my name, email, and website in this browser for the next time I comment. The user clicked on post comments, and this user scrolled down again, scroll down. So the podcast is just showing you everything this user was doing on your page. And this user left your page. Good. This user left your page. So it's showing you the library this user use. The library this user use. You use a web, which is a website. Okay, on this recording, you can also do a lot on this recording. Either you can take a screenshot of this recording, create a clip around this recording, and enter a cinema mode to view it clearer. You can share this recording also to share to people how users are actually viewing your page. You can on add it to your collection on Posthog. You can do a lot with Posthog. That's one of the best things I love about this software. It allows you to do a lot on your website. It allows you to see everything and even share your recordings with people to show your investors or your shareholders, your stakeholders what these users are using, and surely your website is actually making way for people and people are actually using it and seeing it. So you can actually check trends, create a funnel chart, maybe users that dropped and users that signed in, users that checked on this particular blog post, and most blogs users are reading, or the most viewed page users are viewing on your website. You can do user parts. Yes, a funnel part, a page, like a funnel chart flow of your user, the pages your users are following after another. You can do a lot. You can create a secret code on Posthog. It allows you to create a secret code telling it to bring out all the old users that did this or did that on your website. So I think that's all for now. That's all we have for Post Talk. Moving forward, I would like you to be on my next YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you how to integrate Amplitude and J4 on your website, and also how to integrate your application on Posthog, and how to create a person's profile on Posthog so you can be able to see and view the names of this your user logging in or signing up on your website. Thank you very much once again. I still remain your very own data analyst, mostly for Web3 and blockchain website and applications. Bye for now.